It's as easy as 1, 2, 3, highlight the inner corner, blend everything together to get the quickest and easiest fall makeup eyeshadow look in less than 3 minutes. If you're ready, let's begin. Pick any eyeshadow palette that you have. I'm using the Whatever palette from ColourPop. And from the palette, I'm going to pick 3 eyeshadows, a light shade, a medium shade, and a dark shade. Next, touch and feel your socket area. You'll feel a depression in your socket bone. That's where you'll start the eyeshadow application, dragging it all the way towards your lash line. I'm going to start with the darkest shade among the 3 eyeshadows. This is called In Bold. I'm going to use a flat shader brush to drag this all the way from the socket to my lash line in the outermost corner. I'm going to quickly clean up that brush and choose a shade that's lighter. This is called Bad Guy, and I'm going to repeat the previous step of dragging it from the socket to the lash line right next to the deeper shade that I just used. And right beside it, I'm going to use the lightest shade among the 3 eyeshadows. This is called Pass It On, and I'm going to repeat by dragging it all the way from my socket to my lash line. To highlight my inner corner, I'm going to dip into Tardy with my finger, and I'm going to press it in gently. We've just created a beautiful color story. Now with a flat fluffy brush, I'm going to start diffusing and blending. I'm starting with the outermost corner. You can also use a blending brush. And then I'm going to start diffusing just at that line that joins the 2 eyeshadows. That way the eyeshadows blend beautifully into one another and you will not fade the eyeshadows because you're blending just over that line. Again, only diffuse that line that joins the 2 eyeshadows. And finally, I'm going to diffuse out the edges. I'm not using any extra eyeshadow, I'm just using the residue that's left on the brush. That'll help to blur and diffuse the outer edge so it fades into the skin tone. I'm going to add a little bit more of that shimmer eyeshadow in the inner corner to brighten it up. And then using the lightest shade among the 3 eyeshadows called Pass It On, I'm going to smoke out my lower lash line. Using the beautiful highlighter in Flash from Ofra, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. That's it, my friends. It's time to finish up with some mascara. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. False lashes are optional, but today I'm going to be using Chick Flick by Tati Lashes just because they're light and wispy. So even if you apply them, you can see through them and they don't cover up your beautiful eye makeup. And here is the finished eye makeup. A gorgeous eyeshadow look in less than 3 minutes and it looks absolutely stunning. Because this is the season, I went with fall colors, but you can do this with any color story. You can do this with green, red, yellow, gold, whatever you have. You just have to choose a light, medium, and dark shade and something to highlight the inner corner. I'm going to pair this with the beautiful nude lip from Ofra in Bestie. But before that, I'm going to line my lips with the Makeup Forever Artist Color Pencil in 508, which is Total Taupe. And then I'm going to use the nude lip right in the center of my lip and smudge it out. I also love the Transparent Lip Plumper by Ofra. I love this combo, so I decided to add that to the center of my lip as well. And here is the completed look put together, quick, easy, and absolutely stunning. I'd love to hear your thoughts, so comment below and let me know. And if you plan to recreate this look, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box just under the video. And if you enjoyed this video, as always, please don't forget to thumbs up. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I love you guys so much. Happy fall, everybody, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye, guys.